Hello friends. So today we are discussing about there is a big fall, almost 27% in one day in IndusInd Bank share price. So there are 10 major reasons why the IndusInd Bank share fall on almost 27% in one day. So we'll discuss one by one, and here are the points we are discussing about. So what is the first main reason? That is, first main reason is big accounting mistake in forex trading. So that is, as per IndusInd Bank made a huge mistake in reporting its foreign exchange, that is forex derivatives, a type of financial trade related to currency exchange. They underestimated the losses, which later turned out to be 1450 crores, that is 175 million. When investors found out, they panicked and sold the stock. So this is the very much important and major reason why the IndusInd Bank share fall 27% in one day, because of this mistake. Because that is the forex uh, forex trading mistake in forex trading, and that is the reason there is a accounting mismatch worth rupees 1450 crores, and which is 175 million, equivalent to US dollars. So this is one major reason. And second is, on March 11, that is, the bank share fell 27% in a single day after revealing this loss. So this 1450 loss they revealed to the shareholders by the IndusInd Bank, and then they observed 27% fall in a single day, and this was one of the worst stock crashes for a bank in recent times. Now coming to the third point, the third reason is more customers not paying back loans, that is microfinance issues. So IndusInd Bank gives a lot of small loans, microfinance loans, to people with low incomes, that is microfinance. Many of these borrowers were unable to repay, increasing the bank's bad loans. So this made investors worried about the bank's financial health. So this is also one reason why the IndusInd Bank's share price is falling down, because more customers, they are not repaying the loans, hence they are observing the bad debt. Fourth one is CEO's tenure shortened by the RBI. So this is also one important reason, because recently RBI, Reserve Bank of India, was supposed to approve a 3-year extension for the bank's CEO, Sumant Katpalia, but instead they only approved 1 year. So this raised concern that RBI was not fully confident in the bank's management. So this is also contributing a major reason why the IndusInd Bank share price is falling, and the reason is because the RBI has shortened the CEO's tenure by to the 1 year instead of 3 years. Okay. Then fifth reason is, this is also an important reason, because this is not a good sign. Actually, the CFO's sudden resignation. The chief financial officer, CFO of the IndusInd Bank, which is a very important position, suddenly resigned. So when top level executives leave unexpectedly, it often means there are deeper problems in the company, and this worried investors even more. So this is also one major hurdle in the the share price fall of the IndusInd Bank, of because of the CFO's sudden resignation. So this is also creating one worry in the minds of the shareholders. So sixth reason is RBI investigation on IndusInd and other banks. So after the forex trading mistake, the RBI started investigating IndusInd Bank's financial records and those of the other banks. So these this created fear that more bad news might come out soon. So because of this news spread in the market, and RBI is started looking into these forex transactions, not only the IndusInd Bank but other banks in the open market. And because of this sentiment, even we are expecting other banks might have such trade mismatch or accounting mismatch in the other banks as well. So hence there is a fear in the minds of the people, and they are selling the shares like banking shares, including the IndusInd banks, and hence there is a shortfall in the share price of the IndusInd Bank. Apart from that, there is a loss of investors confidence. So all the reasons, all these reasons are contributing to the loss of investors confidence. So investors confidence is because the big investors like mutual funds and foreign investors lost confidence in the bank. So many of them started selling their shares, which caused the stock price to fall even further. So see, because of this reason, the major reason of this uh, forex transactions, the mismatch of accounting mismatch worth rupees 1450 crores. This is bad news actually, and because of this bad news, even mutual funds, not only these retailers, even the big players like mutual funds, HNIs, and domestic institutional investors, so these institutions are started selling the IndusInd Bank shares, and hence this is also contributing to the fall in the share price of IndusInd Bank. And finally, there are three more reasons. So eighth reason is here we can see the negative media reports. So negative media reports also, this is also one on the support, like the reason several media reports highlighted governance and risk management issues in the bank. So when a bank is in news of for the wrong reasons, people worry about keeping their money there, so leading to further panic. So same situation was happened in the Yes Bank when the customers of the Yes Bank were unable to withdraw their money, even they have crores of rupees in their accounts, but they were unable to withdraw their money. So that panic situation was happened during Yes Bank's case. So same situation is happened with the IndusInd Bank. So now the people or the customers of the IndusInd Bank, they are in the state of mind that this might happen, like their funds might get freezed, or they unable to withdraw the money from the bank. So that is also, like, media is reporting in that fashion, so hence that is also contributing one reason. So, and apart from that, there is one more reason, like fear of RBI action. So if RBI finds serious problems in IndusInd Bank finances, it could impose restriction on its operations. So investors fear that the bank may face fines or stricter regulations. So now because of this reason, now RBI is looking into this. RBI started fire take RBI has taken the serious action, and they started digging down, and if they found anything such a serious issue in the IndusInd Bank, and they might again fine to the IndusInd Bank, or they come up with some stricter regulations. So because of that, people or the final customers of the IndusInd Bank might suffer. Hence that is also one contributing reason to fall of share price of IndusInd Bank. And finally, the last one is overall market sentiment turned negative. So because of this market news, because of this negative news in the market, news in the media and everywhere, because of this overall market sentiment turned negative. So because of all these, like, problems, the stock market general move towards banking stock turned negative, not only for the IndusInd Bank, but for all the banking stocks turn negative. When one big bank is in trouble, people also start selling other banking stocks out of fear. So this, as explained in our second point, this is not only for the IndusInd Bank. If RBI found anything in IndusInd Bank, they might do the scrutiny in other banks as well, and they might find similar problem with the other banks. So that sentiment has in investors mind now, and because of that, everyone is started selling, and hence in a one day almost 27% fall in the IndusInd Bank share price we have seen. But now again it started rebounding in today's session. But yeah, still we get the clarification from the RBI, clean sheet from the RBI. We need to keep eye on this and keep watching the IndusInd Bank share price, and how this behaves, and how this responds to these negative market sentiments, or the news spreading in the everywhere in the medias. Okay, so these are the 10 major reasons why the decline in the share price of the IndusInd Bank. And yeah, that's all. So if anything comes up, we'll keep you posted. So keep watching this channel. Thank you for watching.